Oop, it's in gear.
Hello everyone, and welcome to another video on our channel. Do you believe that some problems can actually make you laugh? Because those are the result of our stupidity. In today's video, we're gonna show you some car problems that'll make you laugh. But before we start, kindly like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell icon so that you do not miss out on any of our latest video updates. Now, let's get right into it. Man, take a look at this craziness. I absolutely cannot believe that drivers like this actually exist on our planet and that they even drive cars on the road.
Hell yeah.
Then we got this car acting like a little kid that always does exactly what you tell it not to. Her reaction is priceless. Even though the moment is hilarious, at the same time, it can be irritating for literally anybody.
Uy, por ahí no hay gente viendo esta loca.
Are you thinking about choosing auto mechanic as a career? Maybe take some more time and think about that.
Probably have to take this off too. Let's see if we can get this. You got. Where's the tools at?
He must be dreaming. Car guys can actually watch dreams like this sometimes. What if there were roses instead? Imagine the feeling of following these clues with an expectation of getting a romantic surprise, and then the surprise is a flower shop instead. Oops.
Huh? Uh-oh.
Does your car scream? This one certainly does, like a cat. You are having an extremely busy life, and when you change the cabin air filter of your car before dying, this is what you get. Man, it is ruthless that these kind of drivers don't even think about other people's safety. You really can't perceive anything until you got the whole picture. That's the beauty of damaged goods. Another genius on the road. What else can you expect from these people? Do you get this guy? Let us know in the comments.
Tire rubs on air filter. Electrical tape, a face mask, saran wrap, hose clamps, zip ties, and I think I saw duct tape. Hold this air intake system.
Sometimes customers surprise the mechanics with their knowledge.
Looks like a battery that you screwed a screw into.
Yeah, I know.
If you're ever feeling like your car is the worst, just watch these videos and feel grateful. When car guys start hallucinating, this is normal. Do you want to see the magic? This is the best magic you can ever watch. And this is what happens when life doesn't let you move on. But come on, you can do it. Power stealing, not looking so powerful at this moment.
Car's off. You start it up.
Whether it's negligence or an accident, don't be the one to ignore these situations. someone might actually need your help. Boredom can make you do anything. Now this is what we call window shopping.
That's still available?
Yeah.
Yes, this is for real. These people actually exist.
Your dad told you not to touch the never cease because you're gonna get it everywhere? I think this is one of them times.
This is exactly how frequently my pimples pop up and vanish. Hats off to the person who drives this one.
This drove in. This is on the roads next to us sometimes. Comfort.
Imagine serving this dinner to your guests.
Clark, dinner's ready.
Oh, yeah.
Sometimes you just look at these drivers and think, why? I mean, they obviously must hate themselves. Why else would they be so careless?
Tweakers.
Who says you should read comic books to laugh?
They stole the resonator instead. Look at this. You can't make this up.
When you expect the unexpected, all you get is frustration.
There we go, nice and tight. Oh.
Finally, someone put an end to this stupid prank.
I got it.
Got what?
The blinker fluid.
Get in the car.
What?
You did not.
Yeah, you told me to phone it.
Uh-uh.
Yeah, I went in there and I was okay. I need help, right? Because like nobody was helping me. People were like, oh, that doesn't exist. And then I found this guy and I walked up there and he helped me to get it. Look.
Wait.
And this is the best one too. It says good for up to 6,000 blinks.
Check out the shock on the boy's face when she actually came out with a bottle of blinker fluid. You gotta love this automotive parts store that actually started to sell blinker fluid just to flip the prank back on the pranksters. I guess us men need to find a new joke now.
What is this?
You know, it's all about perception. Strong imagination can make you kiss anything. Okay, so all of us car guys like to pamper our cars, but this is on the next level.
Pronounce you piston and valve. You may kiss the valve. Mwah.
Just a heads up, you might need a break after watching this one.
Al corte. Mira. Ahí está, el corte. Mira la válvula. Acá hay otra, mira.
It's safe. I swear to you.
In a garage, you can wake up to these kind of alarms. This guy's reaction is worth watching.
Fish tank.
You know, I never knew this feature
Paid 80
also
grand
existed
for her.
in modern cars. Any machine can be a smoke machine if you operate it badly enough. I only wish you could have fixed it immediately. The exhaust does not seem to be in the mood to control the excitement. Watch this one at your own risk. This one's gonna make you scrub your eyes. This man wants to play a game that we've already lost. We lost it, man. It's such a tough game. Seriously, we can't find anything here.
Is it there? Is it there? Is it there? Who knows? Maybe it's up there. How would you ever know when you have to excavate the truck before you can work on it?
Watching these things on a road is a different kind of fun.
So
So after
While you're enjoying this, those poor mechanics are gonna spend weeks trying to fix these. Oversmart guys just don't understand that these experiments without proper knowledge can go wrong.
the key's in the lock position. My keys, I don't even know where my keys are.
The time has now come that you guys should expose those customers.
Customer complaint, washer pump doesn't work.
Where are these customers coming from?
I think there's a little something else at play here.
Okay, we chillin'.
Just wait for the explosive end.
Okay, maybe we're not chillin'.
We show you these videos to make you laugh, but at the same time, we want you to understand that if you have a car, you should probably learn some basic things about it before getting into trouble. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell icon. Also, share your thoughts in the comments section below. See you in the next video. Until then, take care of your cars!